How to use edge lightning and border light. Best border light are for smartphones. Now to use it, open the app. Here I'm going to show you how to use this best edge lightning and border light app to make your smartphone look beautiful as it's supposed to be. Now here click on allow, and also if you are visiting this channel for the first time, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial, and because you must love this channel. Here the first process is to download it if you have not downloaded it. Now after downloading it, now here step one is how to set up a border light. Here you can see all border lights. Here you can see animation. Here you can see background, the ones that you can use for background, and also here you can see color. Now how to set up a border light. Now to set up a border light, a specific border light you want to set up, like you want to edit it, what you will do now is just click on it like this. Here click on edit, or you, now here you can see border light color. Here is where you can select the color. You see it, you can select the color here. Any color you want you can select it, but here I like to use multi. Now after selecting the color, here in color type is where you can select how you want the color type to look: linear, flux, or comic radial. Here I like to use this comic. You see it. Now here on border light style is where you can set up the icons you want to be displaying on the border light. Here you can see circle. You see it, circle is displaying. You can see good icon, this thumb up icon. You see it. Now here in border light setting speed, you see it. Here in border setting is where you can set up the animation speed. You see the animation speed. Here in border side is where you can increase the size. You see it. Here in top radius is where you can set up the top radius like this. You see it. And also here in radius button is where you can set up the button radius here like this. You see it. And also here in notch setting is where you can set up the border light based on your smartphone type. Like here you can use this one. If in case it didn't show up immediately or change immediately, change the border style to default. Later you come and use anyone you like this. In order to use this, make sure you did not set this like icon like this. Just use default like this, and then go back to this notch touch setting. Now select anyone you like and then click here. Here in notch touch setting, you see U infinity and then V infinity. U infinity is used for U screens and V infinity is used for V screen. Now select anyone and then watch how to use it. Now here, after selecting your smartphone, now select your smartphone types. Here select the type of smartphone you want. Now what you do now is just come down here. Now click on this top radius, set up the top radius. Set it how you want it to be. Set up the height, the width, how you want it to be. Now after setting it up, here in running style is how you want the style to be running. Here by clicking anyone is the speed you want the style to be running. This borderline rotating color, how you want it to be running. Here the direction you want it to be going from, the direction you want it to be coming from like this. You see it like this. You see it, and like this. You see it. And then after setting it up, what you do now is just click on this save icon here. Now here the second one is how each feature work here. Now here you can apply it as edge light, you can apply it as notification, you can apply it as charging notification. Like if you are charging your smartphone, this border light will appear. Now select the one you like. Here I'll click on edge light. Now what you do now, click on OK. Now click on OK. As you can see, it have applied. It have applied as edge light. You see it. give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And also, if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Also, watch this video on the screen or check the description in order to know how to hide application on your smartphone. Also, you can also check out our other videos. You will find it helpful. Thank you for watching most of all. See you on the next video. Peace.